Welcome, in front of me I have SHARP Aquos Sense2 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. Let's start by going to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. Like this, you will see this animation on the screen and you will get the notification that the screenshot was saved. That means that we took our screenshot. And we can share it, edit it, or delete it right here on the notification panel. We can also take a screenshot another way. To do it, press and hold the power button. When this menu appears, you have a screenshot option right here. Tap on it, and the screenshot will be taken. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.